like pea soup? What about pea porridge?
Oh.
Okay, well, let's try.
Okay.
Yes?
Yes, okay.
Okay. So, let's stir our pea porridge. Everyone stir. Peas porridge.
Peas porridge.
Hot.
Hot.
Peas
porridge.
Cold.
Cold.
Peas porridge. In the pot.
In the pot.
9 days old.
9 days old.
Yucky.
Yucky. Oh.
Good job. Okay, now let's try it with using our hands, a rhythm. Okay.
Peas porridge hot. Peas porridge cold. Peas porridge in the pot. 9 days old.
Yay! Okay, now, everyone, would you like it with a twist?
Yes.
Let's make witch's brew.
Oh, I prefer witch's brew.
Witch's brew. Okay. Now, so, are we ready? But
Yes.
we're going to do it, well, let's do it once together. Witch's brew, so turn your back.
Witch's brew hot. Witch's brew cold. Witch's brew in the pot. 9 days old.
Olivia likes it hot.
I like it hot.
Cliff likes it cold.
I like it cold.
Ben and Claire like it in the pot, 9 days old.
We like it in the pot. 9 days old.
Yucky! Good. Okay, so now we're going to do it together, like this. Okay, watch. Witch's brew hot. Witch's brew cold. Witch's brew in the pot, 9 days old.
Okay.
Got it? Okay, pair up. Cliff, pair up.
Okay.
Okay, everyone ready?
Yeah. Actually, wait. There we go.
Witch's brew hot.
Witch's brew cold. Witch's brew in the pot.
9 days old.
I like this. 9 days
Okay.
old. Okay.
Some like it hot.
Some like it hot. Some like it cold. Some like it in the pot. 9 days old. Hey, hey,
Good job.
And look at
Goodbye.